everyone, this is Gabrielle, and in this tutorial I will show you guys how to add a profile picture to an account on FamilySearch. First, you'll need to sign in to FamilySearch, and once you do so, your name should pop up in the right hand corner. Then you'll click on Family Tree and go to the tree. Once you do this, you will see a screen similar to this, and you'll click on someone that you want to add a photo of. Then you'll click on their name in blue. So for Maurice F. Groff, I already have an image, but I'll just go ahead and show you guys how to do it anyways. So here you'll click on the image and it will say Add Portrait. I am actually going to replace the portrait just so you guys see kind of how to do it. So here I can upload a photo. So let's say that photo is on my computer, then this is the option I would select. However, since he already has photos on his FamilySearch account, I'm going to click this one. Then I will drag his face to be in the center of the circle. I might need to zoom in or zoom out, but make sure that it's nice and only his face. I don't want his wife's face to be in it or a child's face, because then it confuses who that person is on the profile. Once the image is centered, I'll click Save as Portrait. As you can see, it disappeared. Do not be alarmed if this happened. All you need to do is click Refresh. Once it's refreshed, you can see the new image. And we want every person on FamilySearch to have a profile picture if possible. Sometimes people will set documents as the profile picture, and I would advise against that. Please make sure it's an image of the person. And if you don't have an image of the person because they were born before cameras were invented, or you just don't have an image, just leave it blank. However, if you already have accounts that have documents as their photo, then you can just go ahead and leave it. Regardless, if you guys enjoyed this video, if so, give my video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions about the content I covered in this video, drop it in the comments and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks, bye!